So a quick update while I wait for the bike to warm up, because unfortunately I had some camera issues at the weekend, so everything I'd filmed there is dead. But to keep everyone up to date with what's going on, the Manx Grand Prix and Classic TT is here. Now once again I'll be working with Eric Schuss of Schuss Racing, who's my friend from Norway who is over. But this year I'll be a little bit more hands-on, so I'll be race team paddock side and in the pits when we need to do that sort of stuff. But don't worry, at the same time people will be out and about. So if you didn't see over on the Facebook page, which is where most of the updates will happen, and you don't need a Facebook profile to just go over and see that, just go facebook.com/unrestrictedisle and you can see all the updates. Because I'll be in the paddock waiting for Eric to set off, so I have the updates as soon as they come over the tannoy. Now if you managed to see that yesterday, you would have seen that Becky was over at the gooseneck. So she was, not yesterday, day before, yeah, Becky was over at gooseneck streaming wherever she was, and I managed to stream the newcomers as they went off for their speed control lap on the first ever time on the course from the grandstand, as well as news updates and weather reports from the paddock tannoy as soon as it comes over, and everywhere else that I have people out and about on the island. So to keep up to date and see what you can, if you're not on island, go over to the Facebook page /unrestrictedisle, and of course what doesn't go on there will go on YouTube. There'll be more on one than the other, but yeah, just to keep everyone up to date, to get all the information you can, be everywhere. Alright, I'm off to work, bye bye.